Today I am reviewing the Air Oasis iAdaptAir 2.0 H13 HEPA Filter Air Purifier. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Air Oasis iAdaptAir 2.0 is a high-performance air purifier designed for people who take indoor air quality seriously. Built to cover large spaces and deliver medical-grade filtration, this system stands out as a powerful solution for reducing airborne pollutants, allergens, and even microscopic contaminants that many standard air purifiers struggle to handle. One of the first things that sets the iAdaptAir 2.0 apart is its impressive coverage area. This unit is capable of cleaning air in spaces up to 3,975 square feet in just 1 hour. That level of performance makes it ideal for large living rooms, open floor plans, offices, and even commercial environments. If used in a smaller space, it can provide multiple air exchanges per hour, which significantly improves air quality consistency. At the heart of its performance is a strong clean air delivery rate, or CADR, reaching up to 530 cubic feet per minute. This high airflow capacity allows the purifier to quickly circulate and filter air, removing contaminants efficiently rather than slowly cycling through the room. In real-world use, this translates into faster air cleaning and more noticeable improvements in air quality. The filtration system itself is where the iAdaptAir 2.0 truly shines. It uses a 5-stage purification process designed to tackle a wide range of pollutants. The system includes a medical-grade H13 HEPA filter capable of capturing particles as small as 0.05 microns. This includes dust, pollen, smoke, pet dander, and other common allergens that can affect respiratory health. In addition to the HEPA filter, the system includes activated carbon filtration, which helps reduce odors and airborne chemicals. This is especially useful in homes with pets, cooking smells, or exposure to smoke. There's also a silver ion screen that adds an extra layer of antimicrobial protection, helping reduce bacteria and other biological contaminants. Another key component is the inclusion of UV light and bipolar ionization technology. These additional purification methods work alongside the filters to target mold, viruses, and other microscopic pollutants. While traditional air purifiers focus mainly on particles, this multi-layered approach allows the iAdaptAir 2.0 to address a broader range of air quality concerns. For users dealing with allergies, asthma, or sensitivity to airborne irritants, this combination of filtration technologies can make a noticeable difference. The system is designed to reduce up to 99% of allergens, including smoke, dust, pollen, and pet dander. It also helps manage mold and biotoxins, which can be a major concern in humid environments or poorly ventilated spaces. Despite its powerful performance, the iAdaptAir 2.0 is also designed to operate quietly. It is often described as one of the quietest air purifiers in its category. This makes it suitable for bedrooms, offices, or any environment where noise levels need to remain low. Even at higher settings, the sound is more of a soft background hum rather than a disruptive noise. Smart features are another area where this air purifier excels. It includes a built-in air quality sensor that continuously monitors indoor air conditions. The system uses color-coded indicators, green, orange, and red, to show current air quality levels. It also provides a digital particle count, giving users real-time insight into what is happening in their environment. The smart mode automatically adjusts the fan speed based on air quality readings. This means the purifier increases performance when pollution levels rise and reduces speed when the air is clean. This not only improves efficiency, but also helps extend the lifespan of the filters. Wi-Fi connectivity adds another layer of convenience. Through the companion app, users can monitor air quality, control settings, schedule operation times, and track filter life from their smartphone. This makes it easy to manage the purifier even when you are not at home. An interesting feature is the removable Wi-Fi chip. This is designed for users who are sensitive to electromagnetic fields or prefer to minimize wireless signals in their environment. It provides flexibility that is not commonly found in most smart air purifiers. In terms of maintenance, The iAdaptAir 2.0 offers relatively low long-term costs compared to some competitors. The filters are designed to last up to 2 years, depending on usage and environmental conditions. This extended lifespan reduces the frequency of replacements and helps keep ownership costs more manageable. Build quality is solid and designed for durability. The unit feels robust and well-constructed, reflecting its position as a premium air purification system. It is built to handle continuous operation, which is important for maintaining consistent air quality in larger spaces. In real-world performance, users can expect cleaner air, reduced odors, and noticeable relief from allergy symptoms. It is particularly effective in environments affected by dust, smoke, pet dander, or mold. The high airflow and multi-stage filtration system ensure that air is not only filtered, but actively refreshed throughout the space. Of course, like any high-capacity air purifier, it is larger than standard units and is best suited for stationary placement. It is designed to serve as a central air cleaning solution rather than a portable device. Overall, the Air Oasis iAdaptAir 2.0 is a powerful, feature-rich air purifier that delivers excellent performance across a wide range of air quality challenges. With its high CADR, multi-stage filtration system, smart features, and large coverage area, it stands out as a top-tier option for both residential and professional use. If you are looking for a high-performance air purifier that can handle large spaces and provide advanced filtration for allergens, pollutants, and airborne contaminants, the iAdaptAir 2.0 is a strong and reliable choice.